Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great minivan in our collection. A pre-owned 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. This Chrysler is powered by front-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 25,492 miles. Discover exceptional family versatility with the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. Offering spacious comfort, advanced safety features, and stylish design, this reliable minivan is perfect for all your adventures. Don't miss out, schedule a test drive today and elevate your family journeys. This pre-owned Pacifica comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control, power tailgate, third-row seating. To keep you entertained, this Chrysler Pacifica is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, voice-activated climate control, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, rear hitch/receiver, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.